Here's the entrance at Desert Skies RV Resort on the border of Arizona and Nevada. And they have a nice office area. With a billiards room, mail room, laundry, and some vending machines and entrance to the pool.
So here is the row we are on at Desert Skies RV Resort. And it's a beautiful day today. 82 degrees, sunny and dry. And they do have back-end spots like all these along here. And this is tiered up. There's a row up there. And there's a row up there. So full hookup sites, 50 amp, water, sewer, and the spaces are very, very wide. And I'll show you that down here. So this is our site. And it runs all the way out to the edge of this concrete. So this concrete is our part of our spot all the way over. So they're super wide. And I believe they're 65 feet long. And of course we have all the nice mountain views all the way down and around. So this is one of my favorite parks. I really like it. Nice people, nice facilities, really nice pool. So check it out. If you're ever in this area, you won't be sorry.
And this is the billiard room here. Looks like they have 4 tables and lots of space, and then it goes out the back entrance to the pool area. And here's the laundry room. They have a sink for rinsing and lots of washing machines and dryers. Some folding counters, a seating area. And some more on this side. It's a large laundry room, very clean.
There's Stephanie in the pool. How's that feel, honey?
It's good.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it's
And look, there's nobody here, it's just me and Steph. Look at the palm trees and everything. And we got the 6-foot depth down on this side, so I can do mad dives in there.
So this is the mini golf course at Desert Skies RV Resort. Got a little water feature here. A little bridge. Putt-putt holes. Very cute. They also have pickleball at this park and a dog run, which we'll go check out now. So this is the dog run here along the side. And the entrance is right here. And they also have pickleball courts at the end.